Welcome to the Art Project. We're going to make some coffee. We need some fresh ground beans. I've got an aerospace container that keeps my coffee nice and dry and airtight. Putting the beans in a bean grinder. Give it a quick grind. Want it to be about the size of sugar grains. Pour it into my aerospace. Then I'm going to go get some water and clean out my coffee pot. I like to brew my coffee in a French press. I got this French press on Amazon. It is a double-walled, insulated French press. Keeps it nice and hot. I put about 2.5 or 2 heaping tablespoons of coffee in the French press. Then I pour the water over it. Once it has boiled, I count to 10, let it cool down from that boil just a little bit. When I pour it, I like to pour it around kind of in a circle so that it gets all of the grounds wet down in the bottom of the can, bottom of the French press. Put the lid on it. Then while I'm waiting for 4 minutes, I froth some milk. Sometimes I don't froth the half and half. And then at the end of 4 minutes, press this down, not quite all the way. And then I pour the coffee through, and I have a wonderful cup of French press coffee.